The tutorial on how to use the percentage formula in Microsoft Excel. Percentages are often found in various calculations. For example, to calculate the percentage of the population, the percentage of interest rates, and the percentage of a company's profit and loss. Knowing how to calculate percentages will help both individuals and business entities know the value of a data or current result. Okay, let's go straight to the tutorial on how to calculate the percentage formula on Microsoft Excel. Here are 5 data. Firstly, it calculates the percentage of a number. And number 2, calculating percentage growth of population, economy, income, etc. from the previous period. And then the number 3, calculating percentage of data to the total data. For instance, we have total population of males and also females, and how many percentages of the males presentations from the data. Okay, and 4, there is a calculating percentage profit to revenue. And number 5, calculating the new price after the price increase. That's 5A. And also the 5B, calculating the new price after the discount. Okay, there are 5 data. So we will learn about how to calculate the percentage from the first data, calculating the percentage of a number from 30% from A. There is data, and then equal sign 30%, and then multiplies. It's about the star sign, and then select the cell A 3, and the result should be 36. Okay, to instruction to copy the formula automatically without typing one by one. And how about the 120% from B, from the B data, from this data? Cosine 120% multiplies B3 as the data from B cell, and then to structure down to copy the formula into the next cells without typing, also one by one or manually. Okay, that's the results you can see on your screen here. 60. Okay, it's 120% from 50 and etc. Okay, the number 2 is calculating percentage growth of population, economy, income, and etc. It is different with the first, because we will make some differences. Okay, that's the differences from the previous year with this year, and how many percentages when the data compared to the previous year. Okay, so that's about the comparison data or percentages from the previous year with the next year. Okay, we will calculate the group population here. We need to know. Okay, we need to know about the group population on 2016 data group population, and then we will know about the group population from 2015 with 2016. Okay, equal sign here to calculate it, and then open the brackets. You need to select B12 cell as a data from 2016, and then means minus the previous year as 2015 data, and then close the bracket, and then the result of this calculation divided is divided with the total population on previous year. It's from 2015. So the result should be like this: 6.7%. The comparison between the 2016 and 2015, the group population was 6.7%. And to track down to know about the formula from the next cells without calculating manually after it. Wow, that's a mean. It's a meanest result on 2018 because there's a decrease. There was a decrease from 5,400 to become 5,100. Okay, enough from the second data, and then we will move to the third data about calculating percentage of a data to the total data. There's a gender, male and female, and then total. We need to know total population. Equal sign sum, and then just add or just count from male gender, and then add with female. So how many percentage is total populations? Okay, we will count the percentage of male. Equal sign B19 is data of the total population of male, and then divided by total population from the total population from male and female. And then do not forget to press F and F4 to lock the key here, to lock the formula here. We need to lock it, the total population from the total population of male plus or add female. So there is a dollar sign as the absolute sign, and then click enter after this. Okay, this is 52%, and then track down. Okay, that's a 48% of the percentage of female from the total population, and this should be 100% because the percentage of male plus or add the female percentage. Okay, let's move to the fourth data, calculating percentage profit to revenue. We have revenue of 15 million. It's in currency, I think. And then expense is 12 million. We need to know the profit. The profit should be the revenue means expense. Okay, expenditure, I think, and the profit should be 3 million because the revenue means expenditures. And how to count the percentage of profit? Okay, this is the formula to calculating the percentage of profit to revenue. It's equal sign equal to, and then profit, there is divided revenue. Okay, so the result would be 20%. Okay, the data from G4 as a profit divided by G2 as the revenue, total revenue. Okay, it's profit of 20%. Okay, let's move to the 5A, calculating the new prices after the price increase. So how we know about the new price when there's an increase of percentage? Okay, that's the formula, equal sign F11, that's the price, and then plus the price increase or at the price increase, and then multiplies the price again. Okay, that's the formula. So that's the result about the new price. When there is an increase of 10%, the new price should be 100,025 and 500. Okay. Oh, sorry. That's 137. Sorry, it's 137 thousand and 500. Okay, that's the other method here. Equal sign the price and then multiplies, open the brackets, 1 plus the price increase. Okay, and then close the bracket. So the result should be the same with the previous formula. It's 100,000 37 137 137,000 and 500. Okay, that's the result. And just track down snow or another result without typing manually. Okay, the 5B data, it's calculating the new price after the discount. Okay, that's a discount annual price. You will know about new price after the discount. Okay, and equal sign F19, it's the price data, and then open the bracket, 1 minus the discount, minus the discount, 3 G19 is 3%, and then close the brackets and enter, and then just drag down, and you will know automatically the other result without typing or calculating manually again. Okay, if you have some difficulties in calculating some percentage, hopefully this video can answer your confusion. So please write down below. If you have some questions, you can also click like, comment, subscribe, and also that's the video. Hopefully this might be useful. Bye.